Good morning, children. So today we are discussing page number 66 we will learn today about Qutub Minar, the Sun Temple and the Taj Mahal. So today we will learn these famous three monuments. First of all, we will see the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. Its construction was started by Qutb Uddin Aibak, but it was completed by his successor Iltutmish. This monument is built of red sandstone. It has 5 stories and a spiral staircase with 399 steps. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. So, dear children, now if you see, Qutub Minar is located in New Delhi. Yes, it is okay. Good. Construction was started by Qutb Uddin Aibak. So this sandstone, this Qutub Minar sandstone is constructed. So starting this one. The person is Qutb Uddin Aibak. So he is the only founder. He is the only started to build this Qutub Minar. He only started this one starting. So he only constructed first started. So how we constructed the house now? So for example, who is the head of the house? So we will construct. So same like that. So this Qutb Uddin Aibak, he was the started this Qutub Minar to construct, to build this house. But who will complete this one? Who was completed? Now you see, it was completed by his successor Iltutmish. So this one started Qutb Uddin Aibak, but completed is another person. Who is that another person? So his successor. So by his Iltutmish is completed. So started only Qutb Uddin Aibak started this one. So completed by his what can you say is it is like his cousin brother, cousin son. So like this that person is completed this redstone. This monument is built of red sandstone. So completely this Qutub Minar is this monument is completed with a red color sandstone. It is like a patthar. How we constructed this bricks now? This small all these bricks. What we are constructing to the houses. So like this also, that is exactly red in color, a red sandstone. So that very strong patthar, that one. It is a very strong stone. So with that red sandstone, they have constructed with Qutub Minar. So it has a 5 stories and spiral staircase. So it is 5 steps. So we say na 5-story house, 2-story house, 3 tala, 2 tala, 3 tala, like this we say na. So like this building has a 5-story and spiral staircases and staircases. So like this round like this we go upside na. So like this. So spiral staircase with 399 steps. So to starting step 1 to end to go to the 5-story top of that building, 399 steps are there. Okay. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. So it is the highest stone tower. So they have built with the red sandstone. So that's what they are telling. Qutub Minar is the highest stone, okay, tower in India. Okay, now we will see the Sun Temple. Sun Temple is located at Konark in Odisha. You see, Sun Temple is located Konark in Odisha. So it is Odisha na. So it is nearby. It is neighboring our state, state Odisha. So it is Konark is one of the Konark town in Odisha. It was built by King Narasimha Deva. So who was built this temple? King Narasimha Deva. We should remember. So it is a exactly a general question also. Who was built by Sun Temple? So we can say that one. The Sun Temple is built by King Narasimha Deva, like this. It is dedicated to the sun god Surya. So this temple is dedicated to the sun god Surya. So the Bhagavan will be there in the temple, sun god Surya Bhagavan. So this temple, okay. The temple is in the form of a chariot with a 12 pairs of ornament. Okay. So this the sun temple is the form of the chariot. So they have made this temple. It is like a chariot form. You see the sun temple form of a chariot. Last class we have discussed here also chariot na the Pancharathas. Chariot na Ratha. Ratha means chariot. Ratha means chariot. Same in that same design only they have also constructed this sun temple. Form the chariot with the 12 pairs of ornamented wheels, 12 ornamented wheels pulled by 7 beautiful carved horses. So it is like a, they have imagined like this, they have constructed like this. So 12 pairs of ornamented wheels, they have constructed wheels pulled by 7 beautiful carved horses. If see, there will be horses will be there, say the two we can see front side and another side also we can see. Around the temple they have constructed like this temple. They have built like this temple. Pulled by 7 beautiful carved horses. So 7 beautiful carved horses. So everywhere, this side, back side, front side, beside, behind the temple. So like this everywhere around the temple they have constructed like this. The walls of the temple are carved with the figures, carved with figures of the gods. Gods matlab female gods, male gods, and goddesses. That means female goddesses, female goddesses. We call the goddess, actress we call. Na? It is like a goddesses, female goddesses. Also they have kept some pictures there. They have carved there. Musicians and dancers. So they have carved also musicians and dancers also. They carved around the temple. Okay. So this is the very important things we should remember. Now you see the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So it is at Agra in Uttar Pradesh. In Agra is one of the town in Uttar Pradesh state. Uttar Pradesh is a state. Okay. It was built by Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So for his Mumtaz Mahal. So Shah Jahan built this temple because of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So when the Mumtaz Mahal was died, this man for his wife remembering purpose, to remember his wife. So in the name of his wife, this Shah Jahan built this temple, the Taj Mahal he built. It is built out of white marble and took about 22 years to complete. So completely white marble. Whole building is only white marble, pakka white marble. It is like a milk. So pure white marble. Okay. So 22 years it takes place to complete this Taj Mahal. It is interior and exterior are decorated with the architects designs. So everything designed by architects only. So inside or outside. So we can see for example, if you see outside also, everything whatever they have constructed, and inside also. So everything is design is made by designs architects. So architects people only, everything they have made this planning each and everything. So built by that people only. So to completed 22 years. Okay, completely white marbles only they have completed. So for his wife, so Mumtaz, for remembering purpose, he has started this building. So we can write this one. So Taj Mahal is located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Shah Jahan. So for his wife remembering purpose. So you please read this much, and tomorrow we will complete another things. Thank you so much.